Today we're going to be making a 3D foil design. 3D means that it's three-dimensional, meaning that you can touch it on different sides. We're going to be using a piece of mat board, which is a thick piece of cardboard-like material, a Mardi Gras bead necklace, some glue, some foil, some scissors, and a pencil. The first step is to draw your design on your mat board with a pencil. Only make about 4 to 5 lines, maybe 6 at the most. After you draw the line with a pencil, you're going to go over the line with glue. Make sure you have a thicker line of glue than normal so that you can glue your beads onto the mat board. It does not matter what color your Mardi Gras necklace is because you're going to cover it with foil. You can take a piece of your Mardi Gras necklace, lay it on one of your glue lines, and then when it hangs off of the edge, cut off the part that you don't need. Be sure to cut between 2 beads so that you don't try to cut through a bead. That's not going to be possible. Then take your extra piece, lay it on another line, cut off the extra, and repeat that on the last of the glue lines. You might have to wiggle your beads around just a little bit and put them on the glue line. Once you're finished, put your Mardi Gras beads in place where you want them. Put your name on your paper, on your mat board, and let it dry. It's going to have to dry overnight. The next time that you come back to art, you will take your foil and start to glue it onto your mat board. You're going to need to fill in each section with glue. Then you're going to take a piece of foil and lay it over the glue, over the beads, and around the mat board. Start with one section at a time and gently press the foil down on the glue, kind of squeeze around the beads, and repeat for each section of your design. You might have to sort of slide your foil around in the sections. You can see here I'm pressing around the beads with my fingers, sort of pinching the foil over the beads, but be very careful that you don't poke holes in the foil. Once you get the front side glued down how you want it, gently cut off the edges that are too long, and then you're going to glue it, fold it around the back and glue it down. This part is sort of like wrapping a Christmas present or wrapping a gift. Fold the foil over the edge and press down. Be careful not to drag the foil off of your front side of your paper, and be careful not to tear it and poke holes in the foil. You can smooth out on the front side, inside of each section between the beads. Smooth it out with your fingers. The more you smooth out now and the smoother that you make it, the easier it will be on the next step. Write your name and your teacher's name on the back. This step is very important because we're going to have over 100 of these. Then we're going to let the glue dry. The last step is to use permanent markers to color each section of your project. The markers that we're going to use, you can use coloring with the side of the marker a little bit easier than just the tip. Be careful when you get by the beads that you don't color too hard and poke a hole in your foil. The foil over the bead is going to remain silver, and the flat areas that are glued down are where you're going to color. I've chosen a color scheme of red, yellow, and orange. I will show you one that I've done with multiple colors and one that I've done with just black. Again, be careful when you're coloring next to the beads that you don't poke your marker through the edge. And I wouldn't touch the foil where you've colored because the marker is going to be a little bit wet, so try not to touch that too much. And then once you're finished, you have a really nice three-dimensional design. Hope you like it.